Sahih Al-Bukhari 3333, narrated Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Allah has appointed an angel in the womb, and the angel says, O Lord, a drop of discharge, i.e. of semen, O Lord, a clot, O Lord, a piece of flesh. And then if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wishes to complete the child's creation, the angel will say, O Lord, a male or a female, O Lord, wretched or blessed. In religion, what will his livelihood be? What will his age be? The angel writes, all this while the child is in the womb of its mother. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3334, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Allah will say to that person of the hellfire who will receive the least punishment, if you had everything on the earth, would you give it as a ransom to free yourself, i.e. save yourself from this fire? He will say, yes. Then Allah will say, while you were in the backbone of Adam alayhi salam, I asked you much less than this, i.e. not to worship others besides me, but you insisted on worshipping others besides me. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3335, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, whenever a person is murdered unjustly, there is a share from the burden of the crime on the first son of Adam alayhi salam, for he was the first to start the tradition of murdering. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3336, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I hear the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, souls are like recruited troops. Those who are like qualities are inclined to each other, but those who have dissimilar qualities differ. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3337, narrated Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Once Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam stood amongst the people, glorified and praised Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as he deserved, and then mentioned the Dajjal, saying, I warn you against him, i.e. the Dajjal. And there was no prophet but warned his nation against him. No doubt, no warned his nation against him, but I tell you about him something of which no prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told his nation before me. You should know that he is one-eyed and Allah is not one-eyed. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3338, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, shall I not tell you about the Dajjal story which no prophet told his nation? The Dajjal is one-eyed and will bring with him what will resemble hell and paradise, and what he will call paradise will be actually hell. So I warn you against him as Nuh alayhi salam warned his nation against him. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.